Hey guys, so what is up and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to bring you guys along. You guys are gonna adult with me slash run errands with me, and I'm gonna show you guys the outfit of the day, and then we have to get going because we are a little late. I'm on a time crunch today. I start shift today at 3:45, but I have to be there at like 3:30, and it's already 10:07 and I have lots to do. So I'm gonna show you guys the outfit of the day and then we're gonna go. So your girl just finished taking a shower and I just moussed my hair, so that's why it's a little wet. You guys are gonna get that like wet look you'll see later in the video. I threw on a little bit of makeup on. And then this is the outfit. This flannel is from Urban Outfitters. This white tank top is from, I don't know where it's from actually. This Lululemon fanny pack, I just got it actually last week. My birthday was literally earlier this week. On Monday, and today is now Friday. I'm now 19 years old. But yeah, I got this birthday gift from me to me. It's from Lululemon and I like it a lot. Look at that. It's a freaking game changer. And yeah, so that's that. And I'm also wearing Lululemon leggings. Whoa. Hold on. Okay, so I'm also wearing Lululemon leggings, and then I'm wearing these new slippers that I got from Walmart. And they're the absolute best. I love it so much and I highly recommend to get it. But that's the outfit of the day, and yeah, so we're gonna get going.
I told you I got it first.
Okay guys, so got the nails done. Very gorgeous. I got them a little long, but I don't know how I'm feeling about it. It's really nice. I just don't like how long is it. But other than that, I just got Starbucks. You guys should really get this drink if you guys haven't tried it already. It is the pink drink with matcha sweet cold foam. So basically it's matcha in the foam, and then light on ice, and this is so good. It's one of my to-go drinks. You guys should really try it.
Staring out the window, reaching for a North Star, waiting just to wake up from this nightmare where you could be right back in my arms, dancing to the limbo.
Hi, Arriaza. Can I do full premium, please?
Stuck here in the middle. You tell me that it's simple, but I could paint 1,000 different pictures of what is wrong. But if we turn the clocks back a couple
We're at full tank, you guys. Woo!
You in the backyard of your old farm in the summer. Stayed there for 3 weeks where we learned to love each other. Sitting in your room, working on my first record. Skip to the present, and I still haven't released it. But it's okay, 'cause the new songs are way better. That's what it feels like. Haven't been so happy ever.
Hey guys, so I just got back from the mall. I'm gonna give you guys a quick what I got from here, because as soon as I get home, I'm literally just gonna change and head to my job. So I tried a lot of clothes on, as you guys can probably tell. I'm just gonna take my AirPods off real quick. Okay, so I went to Forever 21 first, and your girl got 3 things. I got this little cute shirt. It's like lace and it's just really cute. The next thing I got, which I'm gonna wear today, is this like sweatshirt. It's like Christmassy theme. It's very fuzzy. Can you guys tell by the fuzziness? It's so fuzzy. It's gonna get all over my leggings. And then because it has like some like brownish like orangey type thing, I bought a headband to go along, which I'm also gonna wear today. So we got the little reindeer ears or whatever. So I'm excited for that. And that's why I got Forever 21. And at Garage I just got one thing, which is just a white sweatshirt. I've been literally looking for a white sweatshirt for the longest time ever, guys. I could not. I kind of got an oversized. Normally like a medium, but this one's like large and it's kind of oversized, which I like. So I'm so excited for this, and that's basically all I got from there. I was gonna continue shopping, but it's already 2 o'clock, and I to get home and just change and just, you know, get ready. Oh my god, guys, I completely forgot that I also bought one more thing from Garage. How could I miss it? I bought a hair clip from here. Look how gorgeous this is. Okay guys, so I just got home. Hello? Okay, so just got home. I'm leaving the car, which is why I came back home, and I'm gonna change really quickly, and then we're gonna get going. Look at the hair. That's so gorgeous. Okay guys, so I'm all ready. This is the outfits. I'm gonna take these off. I'm not gonna walk around with them until I get there, and my hair is just, you know, doing its own thing. This is a sweatshirt I got, the Lululemon fanny pack, and leggings, and then I just switched into my platform high top white Converse, and that is the outfit of the day. Hey guys, you wanna be on my vlog? And of course, I've been meaning to vlog. Sorry y'all, kind of forgot. We're hosting. This is the best host out here, right? Me. Oh, yeah, I was gonna say we're the duo, but okay. But yeah, she's not festive enough, guys.
Or I'm not.
Yeah, but yeah.
I got my ears.
I want Gabby to come and be like, so what happened? Hopefully I don't get caught.
I mean, that's normal.
Okay, girl, let's not. You never look up. Hi, how are you?